Hey guys, we're going to practice some facial features today. So get your pencil. Number 2 pencil works just fine. And we'll turn on some music in a little bit, or you can put your headphones in and just watch. So let's start with the nose. Each box will have something different. It needs to be complete before you turn it in. Let's check out a nose here. So let's think about some of the things that we might need to do. Possibly make a center line for ourselves. We'll do this part down here at the bottom. Each nose is different, of course. We're just using this one for a reference. A little bit of the nostril sometimes will show. Then we need to curve around. So here we go. Setting that off to the side. I'm going to start with the bottom of it. Use the whole space that's provided. There we go. Curve over a little bit. A little bit at a time. Light line if you need it. Okay, catch up with me if you're behind. Or pause. All right, let's add a little bit of shading to this to make it come to life. You can be a little sketchy, like hatching, cross-hatching, or you can blend it out with your paper stump if you want to. I'm going to leave just a little bit of white edge right there because I want a little of reflected light. I'm going up and over. Deepen a few shadows. Make it really dark right here on the edge where the nose comes around. Imagine the tip of your nose being an oval or a circle where it comes to this point. And then we're going to shade where it goes down over the edge. We need to form the bridge of the nose with our shading. As it goes up, it gets a little more narrow. Let's get rid of our guidelines. Okay, on to the next one. So let's go down here to where we have eyes. We'll check out some eyes. Each one is very different. Even the eyebrows are very different. Sometimes it's hard to see the eyelid too. So here we go. First, let's figure out how to do that upper eyelid. We're doing a somewhat of an almond shape to start with, and we'll refine it as we go. Now that we have our shape in, let's see if we can make it become better. So I want to put where the eyelid shows on the bottom. Pull that line. Find where the circle is going. I'm going to just put a dot so I can make the circle around it. You will probably see the whole circle at the bottom, but not at the top. It will not. It will be cut off. Okay, now I want you to notice that down in the corner we have this little curve shape that comes down. So let's get that in there. Pull it down just a little bit, just in the corner. Pull it down just a little. This kind of blends into it. Alright. I'm going to pull this up. I'm going to flatten this out a little bit and pull it over. Let's go back in and make the pupil. Okay, we need this eye to look round. So we're going to subtly shade. If you choose, you can blend in with paper stump. Some contrast back there. Color the direction. Leave some white. Shine. Alright, let's finish this off. Always go the direction of whatever it is you're making. Little tiny hairs. And we don't want to overdo it on the eyelashes. Pull up. I'm pulling up at the edge. Put a few in there. A few bottom ones.